Suzhou Pharma opens a new quarter full of energy with high-efficiency delivery. This morning, high-quality custom stainless steel furniture was sent to Congo from Suzhou Pharma. These furniture include self-cleaning closets, double-sided lockers, detachable storage racks, street shoes cabinet, and double-layer shoe cabinets. This video would like to highlight the self-cleaning wardrobe. The self-cleaning wardrobe produced by our company has built-in HEPA high-efficiency filter, which circulates the air in the wardrobe through the fan, continuously filters out the particles attached to the clothes, and keeps the internal air clean. Usually made of stainless steel, it is designed with good sealing to prevent the entry of external contaminants. The self-cleaning wardrobe is usually set up at the entrance of the clean room or in the dressing room, and forms part of the personnel purification process together with the air shower room and clean shoe cabinet. Welcome to consult.